Car insurance prices in the US and UK just hit their highest point ever. Not by a little, by a lot. People are opening their renewal letters and seeing their premiums jump 40%, 70%, sometimes even double. And most people have no idea why. Because the truth isn't inflation or bad driving. It's a massive fraud wave happening behind the scenes. And whether you realize it or not, you're paying for it. And today, we're going straight into the bill you can't avoid, can't negotiate, and absolutely can't drive without: your car insurance. Hey, welcome back to American Files, where we break down the stories that hit your wallet, your safety, and your everyday life without the sugarcoating. Here's how bad it's gotten. In just 12 months, US premiums shot up 32%. UK premiums exploded by 56%, the fastest jump on record. And in major cities like New York, Chicago, London, young drivers are now paying more for insurance than their actual car. So what's behind this? Here's the uncomfortable truth. The system is being drained by fraud. Billions disappearing every year, and insurance companies don't take the hit. They pass it straight on to us. And it gets worse. These aren't random crashes. These are planned, organized, and executed by criminal groups. They cut into your lane, slam their brakes, or stop out of nowhere so you crash into them. Then they claim injuries, damages, and walk away with thousands. These staged crashes have jumped 58% in the last 2 years. And if that wasn't bad enough, there's a second scam hitting the people who can least afford it. These are fake insurance agents selling cheap policies on Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, mostly targeting young drivers and immigrants. People think they're getting a deal until they get pulled over or end up in a crash and find out their policy never existed. And even if you've done everything right, the next scam still hits you. A lot of repair shops realized a simple truth. If insurance is paying, they can charge whatever they want. A $600 repair magically becomes $3,000, $4,000, even $5,000. Extra labor hours, unnecessary part replacements, hidden markups. Insurers know it, but fighting it costs them more than just paying the inflated bill. And all this fraud creates a storm that's now spinning out of control. 3 factors hit the insurance world all at the same time. Your bumper isn't just plastic anymore. It's sensors, cameras, radars. A tiny fender bender, that's now a $2,000 to $4,000. Microchips, steel, electronics, everything got more expensive. Repairs take longer. Rental cars cost more, which means every claim costs more. And here's the part nobody talks about. Insurance fraud has become a business model. Low risk, high reward, slow investigations. Fraud rings in both the US and UK realized insurance payouts are easier than dealing drugs. And that brings us to the part that frustrates people the most. When fraud rises, insurance companies don't lose money. They never lose money. They raise your premium quietly, automatically, with no explanation. So every staged crash, every fake injury, every inflated repair bill, every ghost broker scam, you paid for it. Not because you did something wrong, but because the system rewards the fraud and punishes the honest drivers. And if nothing changes, here's what's coming. Experts say the trend isn't slowing down. In fact, it's getting worse. US premiums could jump another 15 to 22% in 2025. UK premiums may break £2,000 a year, even for safe drivers. And insurers might start tightening approvals, meaning slower claims, more denials, higher deductibles. So let's bring this back to you. What happened to your insurance this year? Did your premium suddenly spike? Drop your city below. I'm mapping out where this crisis is hitting the hardest. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay informed.